Hey, this is Dr. Leonette. I want to give you a little update on Enliven and what we'll be doing over the next couple of months. A lot of you that have been with me for a long time knows that we like to innovate and stay on the cutting edge of therapies and help that we can provide to our patient base. Over the next couple of months, I'm really excited. We're going to be adding in a few things that are going to be really impactful for brain health. Now, as a chiropractor, we always focus in on the way that the brain and the body communicate and the response that you get out of that. So we're going to be paying particular attention to the way the brain functions and how that works with the body. So we're going to be adding in it's a neurodevelopmental program. So it's a hemispheric model of looking at the brain and then what happens with the body and how it responds when there's this imbalance from one side to the other. I've had some amazing results with it, and I'm hoping that we'll be able to have a lot of really good future results with the patients. So if you're having some issues where the right hemisphere and the left hemisphere aren't communicating, it can show up as a whole host of issues. And so, set up a time to contact me and we can go over some of those issues and see if it's one of those things we can help you come over. The other thing is, I've seen it a lot, and we need a lot of help with clinical nutrition in our area. I've had extremely good results with a lot of clients that I've been able to work with one-on-one over the last couple of years, and I'm really want to be able to provide this service to a lot more people. So, in fact, over the next, not next week, but the following week, the last week in February and March, I will be taking a little hiatus from Enliven, and I'm going to be building up a lot of important things. I'm taking a lot of the stuff that's in my head and I'm going to put it into some courses. I'm also going to be building up a program that could be an at-home for weight loss and chronic health support. And then we're also going to be taking a lot more clients so I can give you a lot more one-on-one attention. Those programs, to give you an idea what they're going to look like, they're going to be 1-year commitments because I want success. I want long-term success for you. A lot of you have tried and shopped around at the different places around the area and even done some online things, just not worked. So a lot of you need a coach right here in your backyard, and I am ready to take on a lot more clients with that. So what you will also be seeing is that I have 2 spectacular associates, Dr. Shao and Dr. Mason. They've been with Enliven for a number of years. And so I'll be stepping out of the chiropractic room for a while. I won't be delivering as many adjustments, so it's going to be a little bit more difficult to schedule with me. But realize my heart is there to help people with these brain issues and that brain-body connection, and then also with supporting their entire system. The whole goal is to increase health, so we'll have everything that you would need from a wellness standpoint. We'll have our chiropractors, we're also acupuncturists. We have Shane Pyatt, who is a spectacular physical therapist who can help you with flexibility, strength, core. He's actually very good with vestibular issues. We'll have our weight support, body support, our overall health, clinical nutrition programs where we still look at labs. And then we'll be adding in this neurodevelopmental hemispheric model for training, and that's actually a lot of fun. So once we get through the intake, detailed intake assessments and the testing, and then we know what to do, a lot of that involves very specific timing and sequence of playing games. In fact, I was with a patient this morning and we were playing catch and punch, but with a ball, but we were also doing that with a lot of different stimulation, from vibration to balance to core, and even worked on things such as rolling over and doing these Turkish get-up exercises, because that works on core and helps with the whole processing in the brain all the way down. So just to let you know, I'm really excited with these new programs that we'll be launching in the next month in March, and I hope that you will take advantage of some of these programs. And if you have any questions, please reach out. And then also, since I'll be out of town for the next couple weeks, I will have the scheduling link at the bottom there. So if it's an appointment you need to make with me, we can do it virtually. You will have that link at the bottom to be able to book an appointment with me so we can meet over the internet here or phone call. Looking forward to get back with you here really soon when I have a little bit more details on our plan, and hope you're enjoying this nice weather and that you're able to get out and start moving and taking advantage of what we have right now.